today I'll be showing you how to configure a UI web view to show a domain, any domain that you like. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to display the web view. Also, when you go to another screen, so like for example the Daily Telegraph, it allows you to go back and forward. It also allows you to refresh the screen and stop loading the next web page if it's taking too long for it to load if you click that button. So let's get started. First you need to create a new Xcode project and we'll make it a single view application. I will call this webView tutorial, but you can call it whatever you want. Next, go to the main iPhone storyboard. Whoops, double clicked. And drag in UIWebView. Make it slightly smaller so you can fit a status bar at the top. And also make enough room so you can also add a toolbar. So drag in a toolbar. And make this slightly longer so it fits. And drag in 3 more items. And then drag in a flexible spacebar button item just to make it look more evenly spaced. And then for this item we'll call it back. And for this item we'll call it forward. And for this one we'll call it refresh. And for the last one we'll call it stop. Now if you wanted to make them like icons the way I did in when I showed you at the beginning, all you have to do is make some custom icons, preferably around 32 by 32, but if you use a smaller amount of the canvas, 60 pixels also seems to work. So to do that you drag in the images that these are the ones I've made. And then you can then click on the item that you want to change the image of, and then you just choose the image that you want to change it to. Okay, now into the code. This will be found in the description below as well. So in ViewController.h, after the @interface, just add this code, which is @property in brackets nonatomic -strong. End of bracket, IBOutlet space UIWebView asterisk webView semicolon. And then in the webView.m, you're going to want to add @synthesize webView and semicolon, and then after it says void viewDidLoad super viewDidLoad, you're going to want to add the following code. Don't worry, this will also be found in the description below. Now that you got all this code, if you wanted to change the web URL, all you have to do is just change this code here, or this text here, which is just the URL for Google. You can make any URL you like. So now go to the main iPhone storyboard and click the grey bar. And we'll configure the outlets now. Just drag and drop the web view to the web view. Now for back you're going to want to click it so back is selected, and then right click and drag and to the UI web view and click go back, and then do the same for forward and click go forward, and for refresh do the same but click reload, and for the stop button I'll do the same and click stop loading. Now that's done, we can build and run the application, and we'll change it to the iPhone 5 4-inch screen and just build and run. this should run your URL fine, and if you go to search anything like the Apple Store, for example, and you search that, you can refresh the page, that works fine. You can go back, forward, and if it was taking too long to load, you could always stop it with the X button, which is stop. So I hope this helps with any of your current projects. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.